Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Today I'm fishing with PowerBait Power Worms in green pumpkin. Let's see if I can get a few bass. Alright, here's what I'm fishing with. This was sent into the show by a subscriber. I have had success with other PowerBait products, but I don't think I fished this exact one in this color anyway. Green pumpkin is one of my confidence colors, so I'm anxious to get this rigged up, and hopefully I can catch some bass. Real simple rig today. That's it right there. Texas rig worm. One of the oldies but goodies. Last time I was here, I managed to catch 3 bass down that way a little bit. I'm hoping I can have a repeat success. The fishing in the morning's been a little iffy, but hopefully that's about to change. Here we go. Just dragging my worm along the bottom. Got a lot of sticks and crap on the bottom by the bank here. They fall off these trees. Let's check that drag. That's a little bit loose. There we go. I think that'll be good. I hit the bushes behind me. It's a little bit tricky casting under here. Straighten out my worm a little bit. It got a little bit wonky right there. Kind of casting blindly over there, but I can still fish because I'm going to watch the line. I can still feel the bite. I can still watch the line. Let's keep moving. Today I'm fishing with that 13 Origin A on a 7-foot medium heavy H2O Express fish. Just a little guy. Happy to have him though. Welcome to the show. Look at that. Look at that. Got like a 9-inch bass here. Went for that PowerBait Power Worm. Looks like another 9-inch bass right out there. All right, let's let him go. Aggressive little guy. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. This can be a good area right here. Looks like there's a lot of turtles and stuff down here right now. Let's see what happens. We're gonna keep moving. I like to work the bank going down this way and then back again. You never know. Sometimes you catch a fish going back over water you already fished, especially if it's a high percentage area. Here we are, lucky unlucky spot. Fish. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah. There we go. Sweet. Come on. Let me grab you. There we go. Nice bass here. There we go, getting better. Got maybe a pound and a half bass right here. Yeah, that's a good one. Nice colors. Nice healthy looking bass right here. Good shape to it. Good size to it. Jumping out of the water and stuff when I first hooked it. That's what I like. Got him right over there by those concrete slabs sticking out of the water. All right, let's let him go. Sweet. All right, let's get my bait straightened up. It kind of rode up the line a little. That's okay, we can fix that pretty easily. Let's check for fray. Still feels good. Let's keep fishing. Nice bass, I'm happy with that one. Right over there. Let's keep going. All right, let's keep moving. Like I said before, we'll hit this spot on the way back. Turtle. A lot of turtles out. Felt like a bite for a second, but I don't think so. If it was something small. Same thing right there. One more time, just to be sure. I did get a little bite down in here somewhere. I have a feeling it's a bluegill or a warmouth, maybe a tiny bass. Let's keep moving. Damn it, stole my worm. Damn it, had a bite, stole my worm. Let's get a new one on. Let's try one more time right here. Could have been a warmouth or a small bass grabbing it, you know, by the body and not high enough on the hook. Then when I go and set the hook, pulls the worm right off. Let's keep moving. Sounds like we got some fish over there spawning. Carp, probably. Yeah, let's go check it out. I heard them. Oh yeah, there they are. See them down there? Spawning carp. Looks like about 4 or 5 of them. It's pretty cool. They're probably gonna scare all the other fish away with all that racket. So we're just gonna walk past this area. Fish. Nice. Third bass of the day. Another decent bass. About the same size as that other one. somewhere between a pound and a pound and a half. Once again, got him on that PowerBait Power Worm. Yeah, let's let it go. Man, that's awesome. 3 bass today. 1 little dinky bass. 2 that were not so bad. Once again, this worm has worked its way up the line. I guess it has something to do with the texture and firmness of the worm. They don't always do that. It's not really a big deal. There we go. Back in action. We're gonna work our way back. We're gonna go hit those rock walls and then we're gonna go back to the boat launch. Let's see if we can get 1 more. If not, I'm still content with the day. Got a couple of good bass, but we'll see. Fish. Oh, that's another nice one. Just let me grab it. Just let me grab it. Come on. This is a feisty bass. There we go. Another nice bass. About the same size as those other ones. Maybe a little heavier because it's got a fatter little belly right here. But a good fish. Man, that's 3 nice bass. Nice for my lake anyway. You know, this is a 22,000 acre lake. This ain't no private pond. This ain't no stocked private lake. I'm happy with fish like these. Let's let it go. This power worm is doing very well. I mean, there's a reason green pumpkin is one of my confidence colors. On this lake, does very well. Still in good shape. We're gonna keep fishing it. All right, let's go try by the dock. A few casts at the boat launch, then I'm out of here. Oh, something stole the worm right off of there. That was a mean bite. I felt that. We're gonna put 1 more on just to see if I can get back down there and find that fish. Wow. That was a jolt of a bite. Yanked that worm right off the hook. Even by the time I went to set the hook, I could feel that it was so light, there was no chance. There's a bite. Got him. Fish. Came back for it. Awesome. How many bass is that this morning? 4, 5, including that little one. Nice. Another largemouth bass. This one is probably about a pound. Not quite as big as some of those other ones, but still really nice. Got him on that green pumpkin PowerBait Power Worm. Doing very well this morning. How many bass can I catch on a power worm? 5 in about an hour. Man, that's pretty good. That was so crazy. I had an aggressive bite down there. Something stole my worm. I put a new one on, casted it out, got him, just like that. Let me get this worm situated back on the hook, but I am done for today. I'm happy with those bass. 4 decent bass and 1 little dinky guy I got right over there by the barge. Green pumpkin power worms, pretty much amazing. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.